So today's plant of the day is an echinacea. I posted a picture of this bud here on the gardening group because it's just such a beautiful um, example of symmetry and complexity. Just so gorgeous, but it has zero relevance to what the flower looks like. Amazing. It goes from like lime green to this stunning, stunning pink and orange colors. The variety is called Sunseeker Double Rainbow. I don't have much luck with echinaceas, but this one I've managed to overwinter. It's in a lot of like gravelly soil with a little bit of manure added to it. That might be why. This one I think is like it's a dwarf, I think. And it hasn't grown very big in my garden, but that might just be because I suck at growing echinaceas. I managed to overwinter one variety a couple years ago and I was so excited, and then every time I've tried since it hasn't worked, so I was pretty thrilled when this one came back for me. They're supposed to be super easy perennials. I don't know. In terms of what they're supposed to need, good drainage apparently is one of the big keys. Good quality soil is good too, but they are relatively drought tolerant once established. So you don't need to baby it. I say as I've killed like 5 or 6 of them, but I wanted to show you this because just look. I mean, just look at this. And the ends of the petals are like tattered. Isn't that stunning? These colors, these sunset colors, so pretty. Yeah, excellent cut flower as well. And I don't know if they're deer proof. I've read varying accounts on that. So yeah, they do need drainage and they do need some water, but they are relatively sturdy for other people, not for me. I mainly just wanted to show you how pretty it is. So that's Echinacea Sunseeker's Double Rainbow.